Hi everybody, this is Joe. Our second installment on project signage, and I wanted to show you this real estate sign real quick. It shows where you can do a little more extra and possibly get some more leads. You have the other sign, the main sign up, and then you have this brochure sign. They've just filled it up recently with the information on the house and pricing and that type of thing. And I'd like for you as construction, remodelers, new homeowners or new home builders, etc., I'd like for you to think about this. I know I'm going to get some pushback of, oh, Joe, those are $15 each or $20 or whatever. Here's a couple of things to remember. Number one, you can get them made out of cardboard. They won't last as long, but if you'll paint them with a spray-on paint, they'll make them last a lot longer. You don't necessarily have to leave them out forever, but you leave them out for a while with your brochure in it. Maybe tell some details about the project you're doing. And then one of my good friends, as a matter of fact, she's my second or third cousin, Teresa Hale from D.C. Trimble's office, said that don't forget the co-op money, Joe. In other words, what other companies or people would be interested in you selling more of this? So your lumber companies, your concrete companies, your metal building companies, a lot of them will contribute co-op dollars if you're mentioning them in the advertising. So if you put IMI Concrete or Star Metal Buildings or whatever, they can help pay for some of this cost. Because we're going to even expand this as far as you've worked hard and long to have a project. Make this be your biggest sign. Let this be your biggest welcoming for new prospects to learn about your company. And we'll talk about that more. But again, there's one of the steps besides your vehicles. I'll put that up here on the side as far as what I talked about yesterday, but also look at other signage that will go, and we'll talk about that even further. So have a great day. Make all your projects a large project, and I'll see you down the road. Bye.